Hey everyone, it's Sim here from the Fusing Shop, and I am sweating like crazy, number one. It's like 100 degrees outside, and the glass shop is not any cooler. So I also closed off all my fans and everything so I could have good audio for you guys, so I hope you appreciate that. And I've been getting a lot of questions about my oxygen concentrator, so I figured I'd do a quick video on what that looks like. So let's just pop over here. I'm sorry it's a little bit dark, but I'm gonna put a light on in a minute. So here is what I have. Let me flip behind the camera. There we go. I have this crazy little setup going over here. So there's two machines that make this setup. There's the Invacare Perfecto II. Where's the name on this thing? It's on here somewhere, but I can't find it right now. You can just trust me, it's a Perfecto II. And then on top of this, we have the Invacare Homefill II. So this machine on the bottom actually connects via this clear hose, and there's a port on the back. I'm just going to swing it around here. Bring you guys, hold on, let me just try to get this in position. There's so much stuff here that I'm working on right now. All right, there we go. Can we get that in there? Oh yeah, there we go. So that connects from this little connector down there, right there, and it connects into this machine here, and then it goes through all this cool piping and cylinders and pistons and safety valves and all this other fun stuff in here. Mine is taken apart. I actually have been repairing this unit. It's been giving me some problems. It's good to get this system if you are handy, so this way you know how to repair it and fix it, because it does break down very often. And it's really not meant to be used the way, you know, glass blowers use them to fill up the oxygen tanks. From here, this is actually supposed to be like way over there, but this is the way I have it rigged up for now. This is the Invacare quick disconnect, which you just pop off, and this is where you connect the oxygen tanks to, if you have them. I have this going into what's called a whip, and on the end of my whip I have the nipple here, and this matches up with the, if my camera will focus on it, that'd be great. This matches up with the nipples that are on the home fill bottles for the oxygen. And this just goes into the threaded fitting here, and we follow the whip right up into my oxygen tank here. Now mine has a pressure gauge. It's not on right now, so it's not reading anything, it's just reading 0. And then it goes into the tank, and I have it split on this like little T here. So, and then it goes to my regulator and to my flashback resistor, and then to my torches. So that is the setup, and it works great. I cannot complain. The only complaint is the Homefill II tends to break down quite often. And again, if you're handy and know how to repair these things, that's amazing, and this will save you tons of money. Because I just run this every time I get down to, I read that you're supposed to run it when you get down to 500 PSI. So it's like a sweet spot you run it in. Oh, sorry, there I am. So the sweet spot is let it get down to 500 PSI and then fill it up to about 1500. And you know, you're not supposed to like let the tank get 100% empty before you start the machine and run it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else about this system, but I mean, it also saves me the time of taking out this giant tank and putting it in my car and bringing it to the gas supplier, because this thing weighs a ton and it rolls around in the car. I know you're supposed to strap it in and everything else, but like, who really does that? So yeah, the oxygen concentrator is great. I actually got mine on Craigslist for like 500 bucks used. You know, sometimes people don't really know the value of what they're selling, so I actually got a really good deal, and you know, no complaints. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about the Homefill or the Perfecto II, leave a comment below. I will be happy to try to answer them the best I can. I am not a repairman on these. I am not certified to be taking it apart and, you know, tinkering with it like I do, but I like, you know, opening things up and seeing how they work, so it works for me. If you don't have experience with it, do not open this up. It is a high pressure machine, and you just don't want to hurt yourself. So thanks so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one.